ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ 1 ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಹೃದಯ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 11 ದೋಷಾದಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ. ದೋಷಾದಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ means knowledge of dosha, dhatu and mala. Acharya Vagbhata explains the functions of the dosha, dhatu, mala, and also he explains the ruddhi kshaya means visheshan of the dosha, dhatu and mala. If dosha increased or decreased, if dhatu increased or decreased, if mala increased or decreased, what are the changes that takes in your body, those all will be explained in this chapter. The first shloka goes dosha dhatu malamulam sada dehasya, which means dosha dhatu mala together forms the body. Body is dehasya. The detailed explanation of this shloka is dosha dhatu malam. Dosha, 3 types of dosha, we know vata pitta kapha. Dhatu, 7 types: rasa, rakta, mamsam, meda, asti, majja and shukram. These all the modern names are given in the bracket. Like for rasa, it is called as the lymph, rakta, blood, as is no same, mamsa, muscle, meda, fat, asti, bone, majja, bone marrow, shukra, male and female reproductive secretion. And next is mala, that is waste products, mainly 3 waste products: sweat, urine and fecus are the roots of the body. Here what they are saying means roots of the body. What he is explaining from this point of view is the dosha, dhatu, mala all together forms the body, that is roots of the body. The next shloka goes for the functions of the vata dosha and pitta dosha and kapha dosha, so on. First we'll study the functions of the vata dosha. Vata dosha helps in which all functions helps in what all functions that can be taken in our body, mainly studied here. The first one is utsaho. First one is utsaho, uchvasho, nishvasha, cheshta, vega, pravartanai, samyagatya cha, dhatu namakshanam, patavena cha, anugrahatya vikrata. The meaning of this shloka goes utsaha. Utsaha means enthusiasm. Uchvasha means expiration. Next, nishvasa means inspiration. Cheshta, initiation and activation. Next, vega pravartane, having urges. Samyagatya cha dhatunam, maintenance of the dhatu means maintenance of the dhatu means all the 7 dhatus which are present in our body, their proper functioning and their quantity, quality, respect to that will be maintained by the vata dosha. Next, akshana patavena cha, that is well function of the sense organs. All the 5 sense organs are function properly due to the vata dosha in our body. First, if you are getting difficulty in reading this shloka, you can split and read it like utsaha, uchvasa, nishvasa, cheshta, vega, pravartane, and the splittings are given in this column like utsaha, uchvasa. Together they form utsaho, uchvasa. Same wise the remaining shloka is explained in this box. Next, here vata is responding. The 5 marks if they ask this detailed explanation you have to write first these points wise which gives for the examiner to correct it very easily, so you can gain the marks aram se. Next, vata is to extend the answer sufficiently you can write this, that is vata is responsible for the all movements of blood in blood vessels, movements of nutrients, movement of air in lungs and locomotion. It is normal state causes the enthusiasm. Vata dosha regulates respiration, that is only respiration process only. As I said, uchvasa, nishvasa. Uchvasa expiration, nishvasa inspiration. Regulates all locomotory movements, regulates all activities of the mind, speech, initiation of the natural urges. These natural urges means which cannot be suppressed our body, as we have studied Dharaniya Vega, Adharaniya Vega. In the such way, these natural urges which cannot be suppressed, like tears, fecus, urination, sneezing, coughing, vomiting, yawning, these all are mainly controlled, or the proper function is mainly done by the Vata dosha in our body. And the maintenance of the dhatu, as I said, all the seven dhatus functions and their normalcy and proper functioning of the sense organs. Thank you.